Why everyone is drinking lemon water for weight loss, and you should too. Did you know that a simple glass of lemon water could transform your mornings, speed up your weight loss, and detoxify your body naturally? It sounds like magic, but it's science. Lemon water is packed with vitamin C, helps you feel fuller, and even reduces inflammation, making it the ultimate secret weapon for your health and waistline. Many people start their day with it. Imagine waking up, feeling groggy, and reaching for a glass of lemon water. The zesty flavor and refreshing nature can instantly wake you up. Why? Because it wakes them up and makes them feel good. The natural acidity of lemon helps to kickstart your digestive system and metabolism. Plus, it's a healthy habit that's easy to stick with. Unlike other health trends that require expensive ingredients or complicated recipes, lemon water is accessible to everyone. No complicated recipes or expensive ingredients, just lemons and water. This simplicity makes it a favorite for many. It's a great alternative to sugary drinks. In a world where sugary beverages are everywhere, lemon water stands out as a healthier choice. Lemon water is a popular choice for those looking to improve their health. Whether you're at a fitness class or shopping for groceries, you'll notice many people opting for this drink. It's a simple addition to your routine with potential benefits. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, the benefits are numerous. Let's explore those benefits further. Stay tuned as we delve into the science and stories behind this beloved beverage. Lemons are packed with vitamin C. This essential nutrient is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, which is our body's defense against infections and illnesses. Just one lemon can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. We all know vitamin C is good for us, but did you know that it also plays a vital role in the production of collagen? Collagen is a protein that helps keep our skin, hair, and nails strong and healthy. It's an antioxidant that helps protect our cells. Antioxidants are like the body's own little superheroes, fighting off harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can cause damage to our cells, leading to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants fight bad stuff in our bodies called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and chronic diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help to keep our bodies healthy and functioning properly. Want to boost your metabolism? Lemon water might help. Drinking lemon water can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. This can be especially beneficial if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories. When your metabolism is running efficiently, your body is better able to convert the food you eat into energy, rather than storing it as fat. This can help you feel more energetic and active. Lemon water can also help with digestion. The acidity of lemons can stimulate the production of digestive juices, which can help break down food more effectively. This can lead to better nutrient absorption and overall digestive health. It encourages your body to produce more bile, which breaks down food. Bile is a digestive fluid produced by the liver that helps to emulsify fats, making them easier to digest. By promoting bile production, lemon water can help improve your digestion and reduce symptoms of indigestion. Feeling bloated? Lemon water can help flush out excess water weight. It's a natural diuretic. This means it can help your body get rid of excess fluids, reducing bloating and swelling. Drinking lemon water regularly can help you feel lighter and more comfortable. And don't forget about hydration. Lemon water makes you want to drink more, which is essential for overall health. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, regulating body temperature, and keeping your joints lubricated. Plus, the refreshing taste of lemon can make drinking water more enjoyable, encouraging you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydration also plays a key role in maintaining energy levels and brain function. When you're well hydrated, your body can transport nutrients more efficiently, and your brain can function at its best. So, next time you reach for a drink, consider adding a slice of lemon for an extra boost of flavor and health benefits. In addition to all these benefits, lemon water is incredibly easy to make. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water and you're good to go. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and even add a bit of honey or mint for extra flavor. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, or just stay hydrated, lemon water is a simple and delicious way to support your overall health. Give it a try and experience the benefits beyond the zest. Making lemon water is super easy. It's a simple, refreshing drink that you can whip up in no time. Not only is it delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of making the perfect glass of lemon water. First, grab a glass. Tall, short, doesn't matter. Choose one that suits your style or mood. Whether you prefer a tall glass for a larger serving or a short one for a quick sip, the choice is yours. Fill it with room temperature or warm water. Room temperature water is great for a quick, refreshing drink, while warm water can be soothing, especially in the morning. Cold water works too, but warm water is believed to be better for digestion. Warm water helps to kickstart your digestive system and can be more gentle on your stomach, especially if you drink it first thing in the morning. Now, for the star of the show, the lemon. Lemons are not only flavorful but also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They can help boost your immune system and improve your skin health. Cut a lemon into wedges. This makes it easier to squeeze the juice out. You can use a knife or a lemon wedge cutter if you have one. Make sure to remove any seeds to avoid bitterness. Squeeze half a lemon, or a whole one if you're feeling zesty, into your water. The amount of lemon juice you add can be adjusted to your taste. If you like a stronger lemon flavor, go ahead and add more. And that's it. You've got yourself a refreshing glass of lemon water. It's perfect for hydrating and can be enjoyed any time of the day. Want to spice things up? Add some cucumber slices, mint leaves, or even a pinch of ginger. These additions not only enhance the flavor but also add extra health benefits. Ginger adds a nice kick and is great for digestion. Cucumber slices add a refreshing twist, and mint leaves can make your drink even more invigorating. Get creative and find your favorite combination. You can experiment with different ingredients like berries, herbs, or even a splash of honey. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your lemon water to suit your taste and health needs. Enjoy your delicious and healthy drink. When is the best time to drink lemon water? Many people swear by it first thing in the morning. It kickstarts your metabolism and sets you up for a good day, but you can enjoy it any time. Some folks drink it before meals to aid digestion. Others sip on it throughout the day to stay hydrated. Listen to your body and find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to incorporate lemon water into your daily routine. Myths and legends separating fact from fiction. There are a lot of claims about lemon water. Some say it melts away fat overnight. Others claim it cures all diseases. Let's be real, folks. Lemon water is great, but it's not a miracle cure. It can aid in weight loss and detox, but only as part of a healthy lifestyle. That means eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. Lemon water is a piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. Mike's personal lemon water journey. I'll be honest, I wasn't always a lemon water person, but then I started incorporating it into my routine, and I noticed a difference. I felt more energized and less bloated. It's become a morning ritual I look forward to. It was a refreshing way to start the day and hydrate my body after a long night. Plus, it makes me feel like I'm doing something good for myself. Lemon in your life and beyond the glass. Lemons aren't just for your water, they're incredibly versatile. Use them to add a burst of flavor to your meals. Squeeze some lemon juice over grilled fish or chicken. Add lemon zest to your salad dressings. You can even use lemon to make your home smell amazing. Simmer lemon peels and cinnamon sticks in water for a natural air freshener. Listen to your body. While lemon water is generally safe, it's important to listen to your body. Some people might experience heartburn or acid reflux due to the acidity of lemons. If you have any concerns, chat with your doctor. They can advise you on the appropriate amount of lemon water for your individual needs. Make lemon water your ally. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink with potential health benefits. It's refreshing, hydrating, and may even aid in weight loss and detox. Why not give it a try? Make lemon water a part of your daily routine and experience the difference for yourself. So there you have it. Cheers to a healthier and happier you.